Hi, I'm Scott Smith with C&S Cleaning Services, and if you ever need your windows cleaned, we use a pure water system, and we use a traditional system when we need to on a commercial storefront. So here's this commercial storefront here, and with commercial, obviously you mop on the cleaning solution. We use a special cleaning solution that helps break up any mineral buildup on the glass, and also helps dissolve any bugs that might be on the glass too. And of course, the traditional way is to use a squeegee and squeegee the dirty water off the glass, and you can see there's the dirty water. So if you need us to clean for you in any of the businesses you have or even your home, just give us a call, 814-547-1848. We'll officially be opening the window cleaning season for residential in April, so just a couple weeks away. So go ahead and get on the schedule. Thanks. And visit whencleancounts.com if you need more information. Thanks.